はい、皆さんおはようございます。元気ですか？ How's going the Christmas? クリスマスはどうですか？ So today we will learn weekday, okay, from Monday. So you have learned this kanji. Another video. This is a moon, okay, and this is fire, okay, this is water. Moon, fire, water, and tree. This is tree. Okay. And this is a little bit difficult kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If you lost it, you can turn on then one more time try to back the video and then one more time try to see. Okay, so and this is soil, easy, and then this is you learned sun. What is that? You can make the vocabulary for weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with these kanji. So let's see one more time. This is the moon, fire, water, tree, money, soil, and the sun. Okay, so the last kanji is very important for weekday. It's like week means this kanji. Very difficult. I mean, not difficult, but maybe first time you feel really difficult. Okay, so let's see. I will write it down very big. Okay, because it's complicated. So until now is easy because exactly same kanji with this, but you will write down a little bit tight, long, okay? And then this is you already know katakana yo twice, katakana yo, okay? And then next part, that is a little bit difficult part. This is the same. Katakana yo, you have done hiragana, katakana, so this is easy. And okay, let's learn this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This part is when you start learning a lot of kanji, you will see quite many times. Some part of kanji is very common. So let's learn. 1, 2. Is this part is katakana I. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8. So this kanji means week. Okay, week. So the moon, fire, water, tree, money, soil, sun, and week. Okay, until here, it's okay. So let's learn actual weekday. So weekday, you will combine these kanji and you can actually write down Monday till Sunday. Okay, so Monday. Monday is moon day, moon weekday. 月曜日. So this is exactly Monday. Pronunciation is 月曜日. Okay, 月曜日. はい、Tuesday. Tuesday, fire weekday. So, 火曜日. Okay. So then, Wednesday. So, water weekday. Water weekday. 水曜日. 水曜日. Okay. And then Thursday. 木曜日木曜日 So, good weekday. Okay. And then Friday. Friday is golden day. Right before the weekend. So, Friday is gold. Money week day. So, pronunciation 金曜日. Okay. And Saturday. Saturday, soil weekday. Pronunciation 土曜日. And then Sunday. Sunday is sunny day. Sunday, exactly. Sun weekday. It's very curious, like how they combine the English also sun. And then, I mean, Chinese also yes, Japanese also yes, and how they decided this day is a Sunday. 日曜日. Okay, so let's pronounce together. 月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、土曜日。日曜日 Okay, so the last one, this is a tips to learn fast. Okay, no one wants to study Japanese 10, 20 years, still you cannot talk at all. No, you can talk, you can start talking just 2-3 months. From 0 level to 2-3 months. So what is the tips? Is, for example, you want to memorize these kanji and the pronunciation. Don't study. Use it. Use the language. For example, what is something really easy? Just you have a mobile here. And you write down the diary. Monday is today. Monday, 月曜日. What I did, I went to the coffee shop. I bought 1 coffee. That's it. So, if you already learned some grammar from A2, and 月曜日, Monday I did it. These things, 火曜日 I did it. And then when you join my lesson, I made these sentences. This sentence was, I'm not sure if it's correct or not. Check the sentence. Then, after 1 year, 365 days diary you have, which is common activity because you wrote it. So, you can learn the common phrase, common activity you can describe, and of course, every week you wrote it. So, don't study, use it. Okay, so, well done. お疲れ様でした。
Like the wind running free, we were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter